Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is buffalo chicken meatballs. Very easy to make. I found this recipe on TikTok a long time ago. Made it several times and it's really good. All you need is a pound of ground chicken. Add an egg to that. And then season it with salt and pepper. And it also says to add as much ranch seasoning as you prefer. I ended up putting about 1.5 tablespoons of ranch seasoning. And then you're going to mix that really well together. Next up, I'll take some mozzarella. I was able to find these little mozzarella balls. They're super tiny, and I thought that would be good to use to stuff inside there. So I'm using a really small scooper. I kind of flatten it out, put the cheese in the middle, and then kind of bury it in there. And ground chicken, if you've never handled it, it's kind of sticky, but if you spray your hand with non-stick cooking spray, it helps out a ton. So I ended up making about 24 of those. I did have some mozzarella left over that I used for something else, but I preheated my oven to 400 degrees and cooked these for 20 minutes. That's what it looked like when it came out. And then you add your favorite hot sauce to it. I just put a big splash of Frank's hot sauce, toss those around so everything's well coated, and that's it. I normally make mac and cheese and serve this alongside of it, but it also makes a really good appetizer too. Very simple to make. I hope you give them a try and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.